Welcome back, standard 10. We are in exercise 1.5, equations in two variables. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more. This is the fourth example. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. So let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Solution: let the numerator equal to x and denominator equal to y. Now what is that condition? The denominator of a fraction is 4 more. Who is more? Denominator is more. How much? 4 more. Then twice the numerator. Twice the numerator means 2 times x. Okay. Who is more? Denominator is still more. That means if more, then the difference is 4. If I am elder than you by 30 years, that means the difference of your age and my age is 30 years. That way, just analyze this. Numerator of a fraction is 4 more. Who is more? Denominator is more. Denominator of a fraction is 4 more. Means denominator is more. Therefore, from first condition, what is that condition? Denominator is more. Denominator means this is more. Then twice the numerator. By how much? By 4. If one is more than the other, that means the difference is 4. Bigger minus smaller. Smaller is twice the numerator is the smaller. So bigger minus smaller is equal to 4. This is your equation number 1. Now, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Means denom is equal to 12 times the numerator. But if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6 means numerator will be x minus 6, new denominator will be y minus 6, and that time denominator is equal to 12 times the numerator. So what I will do is, if 6 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, from numerator, new numerator equal to what is the numerator? X. It will be x minus 6. And if 6 is subtracted from both, 6 is subtracted from denominator, new denominator equal to what was the denominator? Y. It will be y minus 6. Now the second condition, from second condition, SC means second condition. What is that? Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both are reduced by 6. Reduced by 6 means 6 is subtracted. Denominator becomes 12 times. Means denominator equal to 12 times the numerator. That means, what is the denominator this time? Y minus 6 is equal to 12 times, means 12 into numerator is how much? X minus 6. Therefore, y minus 6 is equal to 12 into x is 12x minus 12 6 are 72. I have to make it an equation. So bring this 12x here. Therefore, y minus 12x is equal to minus 72 plus 6. Okay. Therefore, y minus 12x is equal to, this is minus 66. This is equation number 2. Now observe this equation 1 and equation 2. If I subtract this equation, y will get cancelled. This y is plus, this y is plus. Subtract them. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Anyone you can subtract. Subtract equation 2. So this I have to subtract. So y minus 2x is equal to 4. This was number 1. This I am subtracting. Y minus 12x is equal to minus 66. This is number 2. I am subtracting this. So change the signs. This will be plus, becomes minus. This will be plus. This will be plus. Then 66 plus 4, it is 70. Y cut. Plus 12 minus 2 means plus 10x. Therefore, x is equal to 7. This is our numerator. Now denominator, take any one. I will take this. Y minus 2x is equal to 4. This is from equation number 1. Therefore, y minus 2 into 7 is equal to 4. Put x equal to 7. Therefore, y minus 7 to the 14 is equal to 4. And therefore, y is equal to 4 plus 14. Therefore, y is equal to 18. Therefore, numerator equal to how much? Numerator equal to 7. Denominator equal to how much? Denominator is equal to 18. Therefore, the fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator, means 7 upon 18. This is your answer. Hope that you have understood. Take a screenshot. I am going for the next question. I am rubbing this. So very important questions from the exercise I am taking. Question number 6. Sixth question. Out of 1900 km, 1900 kilometer, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed. Bus travels with average speed. I am writing only speed to save the space. With speed 60 km per hour. And the speed of aeroplane is, and the average speed, I am writing only speed. The speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. 700 kilometers per hour. It takes 5 hours 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance which are traveled by bus. Find the distance we shall travel by bus. So what is the total distance? 1900 kilometers. Say suppose from this A to B, this distance is 1900 kilometers. This total distance is 1900 kilometers. Okay, some distance say from this to this up to C, he travel by bus. And C to B by plane, by aeroplane. Say suppose this is X and this is Y. So the total distance will be X plus Y. Solution. Let we shall travel X kilometers by bus and Y kilometers by train, by plane. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 1900. This is equation number 1. Now the next condition is bus travels with 60 km per hour and plane with 700 km per hour and the total time is 5 hours. Means from second condition time is equal to what? Distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Therefore, by bus how much time will be needed? Time required by bus is equal to distance how much? X kilometers. Speed is how much? 60 km. So this is hours time and time required by plane is equal to how much he traveled? Y kilometer. What was the speed? 700. This will be again hours. From second condition, this total time is 5 hours. X upon 60 plus Y upon 700 is equal to 5. Therefore, in this case what I can do is I will take the LCM of this and multiply each term. How to take the LCM? 60, 700. Always try to follow very standard methods. There are many ways to solve. Do the cross multiplication and then multiply over there. This is better. So common is 10, 10 6 are, 10 70 are. Then what is 2 is common, 2 3 are, 2 35 are. Then 3 1s are, this 35 as it is, and 35 1s are. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 10 to the 20, 23 are 60. 60 into 35. This is the LCM. You can do the multiplication also. Okay. But I will keep as it is. Multiplying each term by 60 into 35. X upon 60 into 60 into 35. Plus Y upon 700 into 60 into 35. is equal to 5 into 60 into 35. How to become scholar in mathematics? There are some ways how to become. Okay. Therefore, this 60 cut become 35x plus this 0 cut, 35 1 the 35 2 the 2 1 the 2 3 the plus 3y is equal to, now this multiplication 5 6 the 3300 into 35 3 the 105 and those two zeros. See this, how I have done 5 6 the 30 is 300 into 35 3 the 105 and two zeros. This is equation number 2. Hope that you have understood this. Always follow these standard methods. Okay, I am rubbing this part. Now look at equation number 1 and equation number 2. If I want to eliminate this, y will be better. If I want to eliminate x, I have to multiply this equation by 35. It will be very big. So it is better to multiply by 3 to equation 1. So I will write here. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Therefore, what it will be? 3x plus 3y is equal to 9 3 the 27, carry 2, 3 1 the 3 plus 2 5. 19 3 the 57, 0 0. This is equation number 3. Now look at this. Now this y has come equal. Which is bigger? This is 5700 and this is 10500. So this is bigger. So subtract equation 3 from equation 2. Here you have to write subtract equation 3 from equation 2. Therefore, 35x plus 3y is equal to 10500. This is 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. This I am subtracting. Don't forget this sign also. This is plus, it has become minus. This is plus, it has become minus. Minus. This is equal. 3y cut. This has become 32x is equal to 0 0. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 6 4 4800. Therefore x is equal to 4800 divided by 32. By 8 I will divide, or by 16 also. 16 to the 32, 16 3 the 48 and 0 0. 2 1 the 2 15 the 150. Therefore x is equal to 150. What is x? The distance traveled by bus. Find the distance we shall travel by bus. This was only needed. So our answer is 4. Therefore, we shall travel 150 kilometer by bus. If they ask you by plane, then you will find the value of y. Put here. And remaining will be, I think it will be 1750. Okay. Bye till then. Now this exercise 1.5 is over. Generally the students are not watching the videos very carefully. Please watch it again and again. I want that you should score very nice in SSC board. These are very important questions.